Lesson 1. Welcome to Lesson 1. In this lesson, we will explore the basics of automotive fuels, their composition, and their role in engine performance. Automotive fuels are the lifeblood of any vehicle, providing the energy necessary to power the engine. They are a complex mixture of hydrocarbons derived from crude oil or other sources. The composition of fuels varies depending on the type and grade, impacting their performance characteristics. Octane ratings. Octane rating measures a fuel's ability to resist knocking or pinging during combustion. Higher octane fuels have a greater resistance to knocking, allowing for higher compression ratios and potentially better engine performance. Choosing the right octane level for your vehicle is crucial to ensure optimal efficiency and prevent engine damage. Choosing the right octane level. Consult your vehicle's owner manual to determine the recommended octane level. Higher octane fuels are not always better. Using a higher octane than necessary can lead to unnecessary expenses. Understanding your vehicle's compression ratio and engine design can help you make an informed decision. Recap. In this lesson, we covered the basics of automotive fuels and their composition. We also discussed the significance of octane ratings and how to choose the right octane level for your vehicle. Congratulations! You have completed Lesson 1, Fuel Fundamentals. In the next lesson, we will delve into the do's and don'ts of fuel handling.